How to enable Wi-Fi quality indicators. This tutorial shows you how to see network quality labels next to nearby Wi-Fi networks before you connect. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Connections from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on Wi-Fi to open the Wi-Fi settings. At this point, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. In the next step, tap on Advanced from the drop-down menu. Following this, look for the option labeled Show Network Quality Info. Once done, turn on the toggle next to it to enable the feature. From here, go back to the main Wi-Fi list to see quality labels appear next to each nearby network. Keep in mind, this shows general performance based on signal and speed, not your actual real-time internet speed. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to turn Wi-Fi quality info on or off. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable Wi-Fi quality indicators, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next